Hi, in this video we will explain the relation between concepts and their subconcepts and how the inheritance works with properties, relationships, and business logic. We'll demonstrate this with a simple model containing just two concepts, customer and order. The customer concept is mapped to a table of customers, while the order concept is mapped to a table with all the data regarding the different orders placed by the customers. When we click on customer, for example, we can see a summary of the concept, the 6 properties it has, as well as a relationship called made in order, which connects the customers to their orders. Lastly, we can click on fetch sample data and get a 50-row sample of the data mapped to customer. When creating the data model, we can create a hierarchy of concepts to classify and expose more granular definitions of the same entity. For example, we may want to create a subconcept of customers called VIP customers, so that we can then query the VIP customers and only get filtered results with VIP customers. So let's use this example and see how it works. To begin, we simply right-click on Concept Customer and hover over Create and then choose Child Concept. We'll start by writing the name VIP Customer, and we can already see that it automatically inherits all the properties and relationships from its upper-level concept customer. This inheritance applies to any hierarchy of concepts since the relation between subconcepts to upper-level concepts follows the logic of is a relation. To check whether it's correct to create a subconcept or not, you can always use the following logic. A subconcept is a upper-level concept. So in our example, a VIP customer is a customer. In addition, since every VIP customer is a customer, any property or relationship that a customer has also applies to the VIP customer. As mentioned, you can still add unique properties and relationships to subconcepts. For example, a VIP customer can have a property called VIP ID, which doesn't necessarily apply to all customers, just to those in the VIP tier. The same goes for relationships, of course. So let's go ahead and add our new subconcept. And there it is. Great. So if we now click on VIP customer, we can see the inherited properties and the inherited relationship from the upper-level concept customer. If we fetch sample data for the subconcept VIP customer, we'll notice that no data appears. This is simply the case as we haven't defined any data logic or condition for the VIP customer. You can choose to map data to a subconcept if that's the case. However, in this case, as we already mapped the table of customers to the customer concept, we just want to separate and expose the VIP customers from the general pool of customers. To do so, we'll specify the condition, or in other words the filter, to separate the data we want in the VIP customer. So we'll right-click on VIP customer and click on Edit Concept. Next, we'll click on the Logic tab and start defining our logic. First, we'll choose the customer concept as that will be the concept we apply our condition on. Then, we'll simply click on Add Filter and define the logic. For this example, we'll define that VIP customers have a customer segment that equals to corporate. And that's it. We'll save the changes we've done to the concept. We can now click on the VIP customer and see we have an additional tab called Logic. Here, we can see the condition we have set in SQL format. When fetching sample data from VIP customer now, we can see that the customer's data is filtered according to the logic we defined, and we only get results of customers with corporate value in the customer segment column from the actual table. Let's now quickly jump over to the SQL editor where we can see how to use the hierarchy and the logical condition when querying the data. We'll start off by querying our upper-level concept customer using the Timbr schema that exposes relationships. We'll query the customer's first name and last name, as well as use the relationship made in order connecting customers to their orders to fetch the order country per customer. We'll run the query, and here are the results. Now, since the new subconcept VIP customer inherits all the properties and relationships from the customer concept, we can just change the name of the concept we are querying to VIP customer and run the same exact query. As we can see, the results only show data about customers that have a corporate value under the customer segment as we defined in the VIP customer logic. To summarize, you can create hierarchies of concepts that inherit the properties and relationships of upper-level concepts. This enables you to create abstract and granular representations of the data while adding logical conditions to the subconcepts to filter the data according to the business entity or classification. In our next video, we will cover a different way to model hierarchies when the subconcepts include the data mapping with a bottoms-up approach. I hope this video helps you understand when and how to create subconcepts. For more information, you are welcome to browse through our documentation. I also invite you to check out additional tutorial videos to learn how to make the best use of the Timbr platform. We'll see you in our next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.